Okay, so at the end of this video series, which I have these separate videos, what I've done is I've now shown you, basically introduced myself, who I am as a person. I've introduced this AI software that you're also able to utilize yourself, so you get the ball running and becoming a personal brand and have yourself online as a marketer. Then I've also introduced how I've operated this second thing that I've created called the Japan English Exchange, which allows you to travel to Japan so you could develop now and maximize the personal brand that you've created into 12 revenue streams, into getting a team of 12 people, and you'd become a pivotal part of you between your home country and Japan, setting up an exchange program where you are going to help usher in your area as being a smart and efficient smart city in a way that we create. Then I also showed how a few things I did show is that I have this huge amount of Japanese contacts and people and business cards. And so I already have the customers of Japanese people we need. What I want right now is to send them an email basically that invites them either to an event I create or to ask them for an empty slot in their busy schedules so that they will allow me to, visit them and build a relationship so that I can introduce you. But now another thing that I just think it might be worth showing you is not only have I gathered all the people that we're ever going to need as far as customers, and that's going to ensure that we're part of a huge conglomerate, okay? I just want to share with you right now a few of the different businesses that might want what we have, okay? And again, so this is an AI matching technology where what we are doing is we're using AI technology, and this can also be used in the blockchain, which there's an ESL Coin blockchain, which an English speaker can be not just a teacher, but you can be an ambassador for your country, and it can automatically connect you to people in Japan who can recognize you and connect with you for that value based on the 3 pieces of information, which is going to be your dreams, your skills, and your hobbies. And so this is one effort led by the City Hall to get this going, and I'm able to approach them so that we offer a value that's going to be what is called an accelerator, right? If they do this on their own, it's going to take them a long time, but we're going to do it so we maximize their results and make things quicker. Then we've got this internship group, which is made up of a bunch of university students, and they do internships as it is right now, but now we connect them with internships that are going to give them more value because we're training them in English. Here is an MBA program that's in Nagoya, and they say that they're #1 in business. One of the things that they require of their students to get their MBA is to do an internship. What they are lacking is the amount of companies that are participating in that internship, and our efforts provide a way that these companies will do this, because what we are saying to them is that right now in America, we want to expand manufacturing, and as an alternative to a company on their own going to America to start a company, we are offsetting the cost it's going to require of them to start a company and doing it in our sharing economy, right? Where it's win-win for everyone. We also have this because where I live, we are surrounded by pottery. And so one of the things that they did to make Japan an economic powerhouse is they invested in pottery and textiles. And so we are going to be understanding that for a lot of reasons, right? And when I show you the amount of companies that are here, I mean, boom, these are all company. So many companies here, and they're all presenting their products. Actually, it is possible that you could be the ambassador that is welcoming all these companies to come to your local town so that they could present them, so that they give a chance for people in your area to see products that are made, so that people in your area can make the specific decision that they want to come to Japan to see me, to go see how that product is made. And that is a very effective way for how Japanese people can be people can be invited to Japan. Okay? Then here, see, we have an effort to get Japanese women who have been housewives, right? We want to put them into the workforce. But there doesn't exist right now the robust inbound tourism section that I believe could put a lot of female skills to use, which are communication and hospitality. But we could do this in a way if we then create the kind of inbound tourism that's related to what we're doing, because we're having educational internships, which you guys are going to be engaged in, okay? This is a free paper that they offer out of New York City, and right, boom. In New York City, you see right away they have Japanese classes. And but why are these people learning Japanese? I doubt it's to create a personal brand like we're talking about. So again, you are able to approach Japanese classes, and it is another source for you to test your entrepreneurial skills. And sales skills and negotiation skills is what we are using now as a tool to turn people who are not relevant to us or who are not interested in to be interested in what we are in. And that is how we see things as a hunter, right? We are hunting. So here, look, you can see right now, I have, right, various here's my family, but you could be taking pictures like this in Japan and being parts of various inbound campaigns where the things that you're doing end up to be things that we are wanting to take pictures of. You will be immortalized in your trip in Japan, and this is going to be great for you to also post on your social media and YouTube, and we are going to help provide the situations where that happens. Again, this is a guidebook for a lot of the companies and a lot of products we're making, but they're all engineering, high power, high precision manufacturing parts, and engineers that go along with this kind of stuff, and they are all trying to learn English, and we are going to help do that, okay? And here there's an AI research company where we are going to be using a lot of the things we do to digitize this and maximize this way. There is kabuki art that we are going to be hopefully using to export Japanese culture that we can use to get grants and access money that can allow us to travel when we say we don't have the right kind of money or things like that, or time. We can make the impossible possible. This is a place that I live near, and they have a lot of houses, right? Japanese people do not usually buy used houses. They usually demolish them and they build new houses. But this place is saying that if we come to Japan and we use the houses that already exist, that there exist taxes, various benefits, and so I'm going to have to cut this short. Okay, hi, come on. People are returning home. But again, there is a lot more I could show you, and I'm glad I showed you this, right? We're going to be making videos, and this kind of equipment is something we're going to use. So anyway, I got to go. Let's talk more. Bye-bye.